Hi, it's Lynn Marie. I'm posting this, I guess, from the Mulfar Hospital emergency. Maybe I shouldn't have done this right now. Hold on. My surgery might be postponed again because I am bleeding and they don't know why, and there's a lot of it, and my system might not be strong enough to do the surgery. I walked in and I asked for one of these because I know that in emergency you can get stuff from other people who have stuff. Yeah, maybe I should have waited, but I'm just going to do this because I think they're going to take away my cell phone if they see me using it. They think I'm going to record other people in the place. Anyways, I just wanted to say wish me luck. I am truly suffering and overwhelmed, and it's not as much the physical pain as just what next. I really hope I have my knee surgery on Tuesday. Sorry, this is really short, but I don't know what to say. And that's such a rarity for me. So I'll just post this. If you could send me some prayers and positive thoughts, sure would appreciate it.